It's very dark. It's coming to rain. It's dark. It's coming to rain. The lion is roaring. The cub is roaring. What are we going to do? It's dark. It's coming to rain. The cub is roaring. The cub, the baby lion or cub, is eating other animals. The baby lion is arresting other animals. The baby lion is incarcerating other animals. What are we going to do? It's very dark. It's coming to rain. We have to live in the park. There is nowhere else we are designed to live. We have to live in a park. It's a republic. But the lion is eating other animals. It's eaten the buffalo. It's eaten the elephants. The baby lion is fierce. Works with impunity. No shame. No hiding. It eats another lion and informs the other animals, I've just eaten this one. What are we going to do? We keep quiet? Will silence rule? We pray to God, to Allah? We continue praying. We've been praying for 40 years. This lion is still young. You're going to pray for another 40 years. I'll be 80. We keep praying. We run away to another park. They'll get you at the border. Can the lion become vegetarian? No. Is the father lion not seeing what the baby lion is doing? Yes. What do we do? It eats people. It's dangerous. It eats people without shame. It eats people. What do we do? What do we do? And what happens? What happens? What happens when the father lion dies? Who will be able to remove the baby lion from the command structure? Who? Can the fellow lions, the fellow cubs say, baby lion, you need to move? Will it be possible? Wouldn't there be a war in the park? Wouldn't there be war in the park? What do we do? Where do we go? Where do we run? One animal says we go to the court. This is a piece of paper for the lion. Just chew it like this. What do we do? Oh, mother country, what do we do? Is this a republic? Is it a game park or the lion's park? What do we do? You know it is not all right. You know it's not okay. Everyone is not happy, but people are scared about the lion and the baby lion. What do we do? We praise the lion, the baby lion, as some of you are doing, looking for pieces of carcasses and meat. Whoa, the animals in the park, that you even dare celebrate the arrest of a fellow animal. You dare celebrate. We are here in the park. We are here. We are here. We thought we were all animals. What do we do?